Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 3 best bottleless water coolers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Avalon A7 Touchless Bottleless Cooler. The Avalon A7 is distinguished from the A12 by the fact that it is a stand-alone unit. It doesn't take up any counter space as a result. Regardless, you'd have the same amount of comfort as with the A12. Since it is made of plastic, it is lighter than other options. This also means that it is more affordable. Still, it doesn't compromise on the added features. It works through a high-efficiency compressor and is equipped with an activated carbon filter. You won't have to worry about never running out of clean water to drink again with this combination. The safety of your household while using this unit is also guaranteed. This is thanks to the child safety lock and the fact that this model meets Energy Star and UL quality and safety standards. With all these features and benefits in one budget-friendly unit, what more could you ask for? Pros. Setup is easy. Provides space for large cups. Fits most water supply lines. Includes everything needed for installation. Available in black or white. Clear installation instructions. Cons. No temperature adjustments. Number 2. Our second best pick is Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. Are you unsure if a plastic appliance is right for you? Enable the elegance of this stainless steel water cooler to enhance the appearance of your kitchen. It's a freestanding unit, so it'll look great in your contemporary setting. Within, there are 2 filtration systems, one that filters out sediment and eliminates odor, smell, and hundreds of other impurities in tap water, and the other that filters out sediment and removes odor, smell, and hundreds of other impurities tap water. You'll like that it also cleans itself, so you don't have to worry about germs and bacteria building up. It has a digital LED night light that allows you to fill your cup even when it's dark for even more ease of use. The risk of accidental burns is also reduced thanks to the child-proof lock on the hot water spout. Finally, it also has a drip tray that catches spills. This tray is removable, won't rust, and is made of BPA-free material. Pros. Impressive customer service. Works like a charm. Visually appealing. Comes with a constructive manual. Produces great tasting water. Cons. Heavier than other options. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Clover D1 Hot and Cold Countertop. Perhaps the best-selling feature of this unit is the fact that it's only 17.2 inches tall, so you can put it on your countertop without looking too bulky. The spouts are easy to use, all you have to do is push it, and the water comes out at an impressive rate. It can fill a 16-ounce cup in less than 8 seconds. For safety reasons, the hot water faucet has a patented child safety lock. This effectively lowers the risk of burns. Besides, the emergency shut-off system ensures that there are no leaks. The problem with this model is that it is only a cooler/heater. Compared to its counterparts, it does not have a built-in filter. You would need to connect it to a water line with a supply that is already purified and clean. Pros. Fast water flow. Deep filling surface. Does not give water an unpleasant taste. Looks elegant and modern. Cons. Does not come with a filter. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.